Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Under the hood we have a 3.2-liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in Rhino, looks fantastic. You got that Jeep badging with your red accented tow hooks up front there. You also have your projector style headlights right there, they look great, and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that 4x4 badging as well as the Trailhawk Jeep, and you got the red accented tow hook. It is an automatic open, so all you gotta do is press the button and it will open right up for us, just like that. Looks fantastic back here as well, very spacious. You can fold this guy up and you got your spare tire underneath there, as well as you got the cover right here that you can put up if you didn't want anyone seeing what you have back here. You also can fold those seats forward if you did need, and then you can also just press this button and it will close it up for you. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got that one to open up the back, our remote start there, and our panic button. But if it is locked, all you gotta do is put your hand in there. If you do have the key on you, it will unlock for you, as well as you got your lock button there. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. A handle here and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Very nice and spacious. You do have that Trailhawk badging as well as the leather seats with the red stitching. You can also control the seats here, so backward, forward, tilt, and lumbar support there. And then over here we do have the control over our lights. So off, daytime running lights, low beams, and auto, as well as our fog lights there, in-cabin light control here, and that one opens up the back. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals and the high beams. Let's start her up here, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now right in the center there it does have our speedometer, as well as our range, which way we're facing, and how many kilometers we have. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info. We also have our fuel economy, trip info, our stop-start options, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And around the back here we do have our windshield wiper control. And around the back of the steering wheel you got a volume up and down as well as a source changer. Right in the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you got your AM, your FM, as well as your Sirius XM there. Then you do have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth or SD card. You have your controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel. You also have your Uconnect apps right there. Your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold, as well as your navigation right there. If you hit view map, you can see we are on Wreck Place. You also have your phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. And when you shift into reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. You got your hazard lights right here, and then you got your volume control here with the mute, screen off. You have your traction control, stop start options, your back button. Then you also have your tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control here, power, off auto, as well as your front and rear defrost. Then down here you do have your SD card, your aux cord, and your USB plug-in. And then you do have your terrain selector right here. Looks great. All you gotta do is turn it. You can go to snow, sport, sand, mud mode, or rock. Then you do have your gear shift here, electronic parking brake, and you do also have your cup holders right there, armrest with the red stitching as well. Lift that guy up, some storage there, and more underneath there with another aux cord plug-in, or sorry, USB plug-in. Then you do have a locking glove box over here. Lots of room in there as well. Looks fantastic. And then up top you do have the controls over your sunroof, as well as you do have your lights here, a sunglass holder, and you do also have your universal garage door opener. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same silver handle. You got your control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage down there. Looks great in here as well. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. The leather is very nice. You can fold this down. You got an armrest with some cup holders, as well as you got a plug-in just under there. And then you can fold these seats forward just like this, and you do have extra space. And there's our 3.2-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.